Welcome to my investment property, project 3. We'll show you. Okay. This is a triplex. Okay, this will be apartment number 1 right here on this triplex. Hold on. That's apartment number 1, triplex. All the pipe already been gone. All the copper pipe, as you can see, it's already been gone. Normal. This back roof right here all caved in. As you can see, put some new one on. I'm definitely going to rip out this whole roof right here and redo that side of the roof. I already did this side already. Go redo this whole side. Okay. Could be project number 3. He's upstairs. Another apartment. Door should be over there. Okay. Another apartment going this way. Bathroom. It's going to be the kitchen. That's nothing right there. Somehow it smells like puke. Okay. Trash is up to knee high when I first got it. It's all cleaned out. Had to redo the chimney right there because it was caving in all the way down here already. That's why the water's damaged right there. It's from the chimney. Okay, it's a hole right through the chimney, and there should be a beam right there that actually cracked also. So I need to tear this ceiling down and actually put some new beam. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. This will be project number 3, and later on go walk you into how to get these kind of projects. Okay, I buy houses, I make into a home. Okay, that's gonna be a doorway right here. It's gonna be a doorway for this apartment. That's a doorway for that apartment. And this right there, entrance right there, I'm going to have to break it down, smash it down, tear it down, and that's hallway is going to be over here. This is the living room, that's a bedroom, and there's a hallway through it. Okay? Thank you. Like I say, thank you again for watching. Please subscribe.